Mihango ino ya Wendia wa indo iria ikinyaga guku bururi-ini na meri ni yambiririe gicukiro-ini kia Mirigo kia Inland County ya Nairobi. Mihango iria irambite gutharario ni king'uki gia COVID-19 kuona yabatie ni kwendio mweri-ini wa kana igitabanio ni ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti guku bururi-ini.
Depending on the contents which we see is varying from raw materials to personal effects and also a bit of machinery. The interests that come through is based on basically either having the consignee himself here or someone who is interested in having that item bought for trading locally.
Indo cia makiria ma mirioni 15 nicio ciendirio Umuthi. Iria ni hamwe na mashini tiganite gatagata-ini ka indo ingi. Iria ni cia thogora wa kuma ciringi 400,000 nginyagia mirioni 3. Murugamiriri wa mihango ino Martin akiuga indo ici ni ithurimitwo na ikahitukio ni ruhonge rwa KEBS na ruhonge rwa veterinary.
In terms of the volumes and in terms of also the trends, I would wish to state that at the moment the traffic that we are receiving in terms of train that is coming from Kilindini, it's on the upward trend. The state of transactions with our importers and also our stakeholders is rising.
Thutha wa thiku 21 guthira, ihinda riria Mirigo iria yakinya guku bururi-ini guikara gicukiro-ini kia Mirigo iria yukaga na meri guthira, ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti KRA ni ruheaga notithia ingi ya thiku 30 ene Mirigo makorwo magirite Mirigo yao. Kwa goguo Mirigo iyo ikanirirwo kuri aria mangikorwo makienda kumigura.
The values that they declare, at the moment we have allowed them to do around the customs value that is in line with the benchmark that is applicable for that category of cargo, and this one now allows them to clear without being penalized at the moment, so they are able to get their cargo. Those who are not able to do that, as at the time when we were listing these particular lots that we have today, may not be so much I can say they may be a bit disadvantaged to the extent that cargo may be sold here today, which might end up being either overbid, depending on the interest that it elicits. And for us, then we say that at the end of the day, it's about who has the ability to secure the cargo today and be able to take it to the market.
Ona gukiria uguo, muira wa manirira ma Wendia wa Mirigo ino, ruhonge ruru ni ruheaga ene Mirigo kanyaga kuoya indo ciao, na muno makiria aria magikorwo magite kuoya indo ciao ni undu wa wagi wa marua maria mabatarikaga gicukiro-ini kia meri.
Who brought in cargo and are still here because of one reason or another, it could be because one, they were not having proper documentation to enable them to start clearance process. Those ones we are allowing them and giving them ample time. And as I said earlier, we do have a gazette notice that is published that gives them at least 30 days.
Haduini Hakameme TV getwa waithira wa Kihara.